It is time to install the 6050 BTU GE air conditioner and the 8100 BTU GE air conditioner upstairs. I'm going to put them both right next to each other. That one will be easy to get to, but this one, got to take two very heavy air conditioners off of it. I got the 6050 installed. Let's give it a start. This one has the Queen compressor. I'll let it run for a while and I'll go ahead and bring the 8100 up here and put it next to it. The 6050 BTU is working fine. It's getting cold. That's the current room temperature according to it. Feels warmer than that though. And I got the 8100 installed. I'm going to shut this one off for now. And I'll run this one. This has a greedy compressor in it. Starting to get a little cool. I put drain holes in both of these units. I'm going to start this one back up. Medium. Compressor just started back up on that one. That one's been running. Getting cold. These are both on different circuits, so we don't have to worry about them overloading anything. I think both of these are fine. As you can see, the temperature in here has gone down, so they're definitely working. I'm going to leave them on for a while. It's getting pretty dark outside. I think we're about to have a severe thunderstorm. And there is a tornado watch in effect as well. That 10,000 BTU fetters right there is going over to the other place. And it's going to be used in one of the upstairs bedrooms. I left both of them on last night by mistake. I just got distracted by some other stuff because we had some severe weather and there was a tornado warning. And then shortly after that I went to bed, so I just forgot about them. But yeah, they are working fine. They got the room nice and cool. Shut this one off. The compressor just started back up on this one right as I shut that one off. So they both work fine.